All right, I'm back with a follow-up of a video I did a couple of weeks ago. A couple of weeks ago, I did a video on getting my first 1 ounce square silver piece. That square silver piece was a founding father, Benjamin Franklin. And here it is again. And the other side has Independence Hall. The reverse and the obverse, right? Front and back and front. So I haven't figured out which one's what, but that's the correct name: obverse and reverse. So, as anything these days, when you buy something online and you're on your social media platforms, what do you get? You get suggestions. So, what I get? I got a suggestion to get, to look at the coins that you're seeing right now on Old Glory here. So it's Benjamin Franklin and the printing press. And like I said in my video a couple of weeks ago, Benjamin Franklin was considered a Renaissance man. He did, at that time, so many things that people were doing, and he did them all. He was like an inventor, a publisher. That's why I guess they have the printing press there. An inventor, politician. I mean, he did a lot of stuff, right? So very interesting man, very interesting life. By no means was he perfect, right? Even with his family situation, his son was a loyalist, and obviously Benjamin Franklin was a patriot, and that was a big issue, and they never really reconciled their differences after the war. But anyway, I just wanted to show you. So I got this coin, and of course, again, in my social media feed, got other suggestions, and then I kept seeing them. So it appears there is a founding fathers, I don't know if you want to say a collection, because not all the founding fathers that I've seen so far. So I picked up a James Madison. What else did I pick up? Adam Smith. Not so much that he was a founding father, but he had a lot of input into the founding of this country. Montesquieu, their writings helped guide the founding of the country. So I got those coins. So I'm going to get those in a couple of weeks, and once I get them, I'm going to showcase them to you guys, or I'm going to unveil them to you. Hopefully you'll stick around to see me get those coins in a couple of weeks. So with that, enjoy the rest of the day. It's the day before Super Bowl. We're getting snow in this neck of the woods, and enjoy the game tomorrow. If you're in your pools, good luck. If you're not in the pools, enjoy your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video.